Hello friends, in this video I will show how to use selection pen to manage objects in PowerPoint. So open your PowerPoint presentation. Insert objects. I want to insert shape. Now we have some shapes on this document. To manage this all shapes or objects, so click on this selection pen. So we can see we have different type of objects. Here the option you can select all, you can hide all, unhide. So click on show all. You can hide any particular object. Here some more options. You can select any particular. So this way you can select any particular, and once you select, once you right click on it, like this is the last one you want to bring in front, so select it. This is the green, select it. You can bring in front, and there are some more options. Bring forward. You can make a group, so select all. Right click on it and group. So you can move easily. You have to select this all to make a group. Ungroup and group. So this is the way guys you can use selection pen in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.